Hey guys, welcome to Villa Veneto. Today we'll be touring the 1,294 square feet, 2x2 La Florenza floor plan. Let's go take a look. Make our way down this hallway. This unit comes with the guest bathroom, the guest bedroom, which comes with a sliding door closet, make your way out in the kitchen area. You have your standard appliances, fridge, oven, microwave, dishwasher. Our units also come with a built-in washer dryer. This particular unit comes with a 2-car garage, which you can access through your kitchen. Nice and spacious living room with fireplace installed. Make your way out here into the backyard area. The backyard area comes with a storage unit as well. And conveniently leads into the main bedroom area. Main bedroom comes with your own vanity space. A beautiful walk-in closet. And here we have the main bathroom. And there you have it. That is our beautiful La Florenza floor plan, 2x2. If you are interested in renting or would like more information, please check the details in the description below. Otherwise, this is Villa Veneto. Hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for touring.